I'm going to show you how to do the box method for division. The first thing you're going to need is a piece of lined paper and turn it so it's horizontal so that you have lines. This will help you a great deal when it comes to adding and subtracting and keeping your numbers so that you can actually see them. So once you have your lined paper, you may see your division problem look like this. It may be something like 424 divided by 8, or it may look like this, 424 divided by 8. First thing we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to check and see the dividend. This number is the number you're dividing into, the dividend. This is the divisor. We're going to count how many digits we have in the dividend. So 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits in the dividend. So I'm going to create a box here that has 3 sections. And you want to make your box big enough so that you have room to put all of your digits in. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put each of these into the boxes. And when you put them in, you want to put them to the far right hand corner, just like this. 4, and then the 2 is going to go here, and the 4 is going to go here. Okay, so now I have my dividends in the box. I'm going to put my divisor over here, my 8. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to look at this and I want to say, well, how many equal groups of 8 can I make out of 4? So I'm doing the first step, which is dividing. So when you do long division, first step is division, dividing. So how many equal groups of 8 can I make out of 4? And if you're not sure about that, you can go over and look at your chart. Well, 8 is 1, so I can't make any equal groups of 8 out of 4, so that's going to be a 0. I'm going to put that up here. I can make 0 equal groups of 8 out of 4. So now I'm going to do some multiplying. I'm going to multiply my divisor by the number of equal groups I can make, and that's 0. So that's our next step. Oops, multiply. 8 times 0 is 0. Okay. Now my next step is S, which stands for subtract. So now I'm going to subtract 4, take away 0 is 4. And put that down here. Now my next step is going to be bring across. Okay, bring across. I'm going to take this 4 and I'm going to bring it right across and I'm going to park it right next to my 2. So now I have 42. Last step, I tell this is our go back and do it again. So I'm going to go back to the top and I'm going to do it again. Now I'm going to try to divide. I need to know how many equal groups of 8 can I make out of 42. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to go as high as I can to 42 without going over. Okay, so 48 is going over. 40 is where I'm at. That means I can make 5 equal groups. So I'm going to put my equal groups up here, 5. Now I'm going to multiply. Next step, 5 times 8 is 40. I'm going to write my 40 right here. Next step is subtract. 2 take away 0 is 2, and 4 take away 4 is 0, so I don't have to write that. 0, 2 is just 2. So now my next step is to bring it across. So I'm going to go over here, bring it across, make my 2. All right, now I have 24. Now I'm going to see, well, how many equal groups can I make? Back to the stop. I'm going back to the beginning and dividing again. So 8. I want to go as far as I can to 24 without going over, and I can go exactly to 24. And that makes 3 equal groups. 3 times 8 is 24. I did my multiply step. Now I'm doing my subtract step. 0, 0. There's nothing left over, so I don't have any remainder. 8 will go into 424 exactly 53 times with no remainder. So this is my answer, 53, and I can put it up here, 53, if I have a problem that looks like this, or I can put my answer up here, 53. And that is how you do the box method for division. Now, if I had in here more dividends, let's say I had something like 8 going into 400 or 4,248, let's say. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Then I would make my box 4 digits. Okay, so then I would do 1, 2, 3. I would have 4 digits. So you make your box according to how many digits are in the dividend. And that's how you do the box method. Thank you.